Anyone watch Mr. Pakistan today this video, I will show you how you can make a rain alarm system, dusting system. How you can make your arduino system to dust your rain is coming or not. Showing the table. We use rain sensor, which we actually wire the arduino We use arduino nano, any arduino board. 5 volt sensor, 5 volt of the arduino ground to ground, and signal pin of the sensor is to an analog pin of the arduino, and arduino is connected to the my system via USB cable. And I open a serial monitor, and there are two rain detected. Now I put some rain in this sensor by putting in the water. This is fresh water, rain water, some rain water spread over here, and let's see, rain detected, rain sensor analog value 562, so you can see right now rain detected. Now these are sensor detected. Now I clean this while piece of old headphone, manual book or anything. And now see the result. I spread water a little bit more the upper side, meaning in this transistor instead of downside, so we can clean completely, and you can see no rain detected. No rain detected. And now explain how all this working. First we get straw out of doors. Let's straw out. Put top. Give a tool, straw out. First I include this tool. I will talk with arduino. It's web page to arduino. I put this tool its own website, project name, and these are analog pin for analog sensor. If you can digital sensor also like DHT2, DHT11, then you can use digital 2 pin. This software works both. Void pin mode, analog input, pin mode, digital digital pin input. These are 2 pins. I use analog, but still software define analog, digital both. Serial baud rate, which baud rate communicate between two ICs like my computer with arduino, and functions like word loop, and there's how it store working. More I cannot explain right now because it's consumed too much time, but I will little bit clear to see this how it's worked. To close the camera, the screen, zoom down, and there are delay times, which means these values determine how much time it will take to split values. Depend this delay time, which is 2500 milliseconds right now, and status, which status like if no rain is detected, sensor output is low, and if rain is detected and sensor output goes high when rain is detected. So these are all the commands and some basics, and arduino port selected, TOM port is 3, and this is sensor when I no rain in a screen. Take some let me in the water. Now see no rain. And now I put the water in my finger. You can see my finger is wet. Place a sensor. Oops, I really put too much water in the sensor, and you can see range sensor. And this video will be the next video I soon.